Hello esteemed viewers, how are you all? Today we are traveling to a country in Europe where the world's tallest woman, Anna Riva, was born. It is the second largest country in Europe. The most sunflowers in the world are grown here. The world's deepest metro station is also located here. How can you travel from Pakistan to Ukraine? We will share all this and other interesting information in today's video. Please watch the video until the end, and to all our new friends, I request you to subscribe to our channel, where next, Ukraine is the second largest country in Eastern Europe after Russia. It gained independence on August 24, 1991. Before its independence, its name was the Ukraine. It is an extremely beautiful country in Europe. Its borders are shared with Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, and Moldova to the west. To the southwest, it is bordered by the Black Sea, and to the southeast by the Sea of Azov. Its total area is 603,628 square kilometers. Esteemed viewers, according to the 2024 census, 33.443 million people live on this land. This country ranks 36th in the world in terms of population. There are 60.9 people per square kilometer. Only 25% of the people live in villages, while the remaining 75% live in cities. Did you know where the world's deepest metro station is? Let me tell you, it is located in the capital of Ukraine, Kyiv. It is 105 meters deep from the ground surface. This metro station is extremely beautiful and clean. Thousands of people travel on it every day. Ukraine is the world's largest country in terms of growing sunflowers. It exports millions of liters of sunflower oil to other countries every day. The people here love farming. The sunflower industry is a great support for the country's economy. Esteemed viewers, the largest city and capital of the country is Kyiv. The beautiful Dnieper River also flows through this city. This city is an important industrial, political, and cultural center of Eastern Europe. There are high-level educational institutions and historical places that are worth seeing. The city is spread over 841 square kilometers, and its population is 2.952 million. The Mariinsky Palace in this city attracts tourists from all over the world. It was built in 1744 and still exists in its original condition and beauty. All tourists who visit Ukraine must visit this palace. To enter this palace, you have to buy a ticket. Ukraine's Black Sea is very famous. People come here to swim on holidays and have a lot of fun. The beaches are very open. Esteemed viewers, you know that the wedding ring is worn on the ring finger of the left hand. But in Ukraine, this is not the case. The people here wear the ring on the finger of their right hand. Weddings here are very fun. The people complete all the traditions in churches and then the rest of the ceremonies in a marriage hall, where there are grand arrangements for food. The new couple and all the guests dance together. They never forget to wear traditional clothes. For any function or wedding, everyone tries to wear traditional Ukrainian clothes. The record for building the world's largest airplane is also held by Ukraine. The Antonov An-225 is one of the most famous. This plane was destroyed in the war between Ukraine and Russia. April 26, 1986, was a very horrific day for Ukraine because on this day, there was an explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. This explosion was many times bigger than the ones in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Since then, this place has been abandoned. In 2010, this place was opened as a tourist destination, but Ukrainian people still avoid going there. Ukraine is also called the land of bread, because its bread is famous all over Europe for its high quality. Ukraine exports millions of pieces of bread to the world every day. Esteemed viewers, the favorite food of the people here is chicken Kyiv. It is often served to guests at weddings. The people here eat it with great fondness. You will find a McDonald's on every street, every road, and every square in Ukraine. Hamburgers are the craze of the people here. On holidays, people do not cook at home but go out to eat with their families. Alcohol is so common here that it is the sixth largest country in the world in terms of alcohol consumption. This country is as beautiful as its people. The young boys and girls are very attractive. People here live together for 2 years before they get married. They have a very good nature and treat foreign tourists very well. Esteemed viewers, the weather in Ukraine is normally warm and extremely cold. In winter, most of the country receives snowfall, and in summer, people's inclination is toward the beaches. They love the sun and spend all day lying in the sun, having a lot of fun. The education and medical systems here are excellent. People from all over the world come here to get an education. The roads are wide and clean. There is also an excellent system of buses, trams, and taxis. Ukraine's metro and train systems are among the best in Europe. The metro system here is extremely fast. A train arrives every 10 seconds and travels to different places on different tracks. Esteemed viewers, now we will talk about one of the world's tallest women, Anna Riva. She is also from Ukraine. This woman's legs are 5 feet long, and she has also set a world record. When major events are held in big countries, this woman is invited. The national language of Ukraine is Ukrainian. After that, the most spoken languages are English and Russian. In Ukraine, 87.3% of the people are Christians. 11% have no religion, and the remaining 4.9% belong to other religions. After Ukrainians, the most people living here are Russians. The land of Ukraine is very important among the lands of Europe. Countless wars have been fought here. The war between Ukraine and Russia is still going on. Esteemed viewers, if you want to get a direct visa for Ukraine from Pakistan, you should have some travel history on your passport. After that, your character certificate in Pakistan should be good. Then, you can talk to any travel agent to get a multiple entry visa for Ukraine. A large number of people from Pakistan are settled in Ukraine and support their families by working there. The people of Ukraine love fitness very much. Whether they are boys or girls, everyone likes to be slim and smart. Going to the gym, morning walks, playing volleyball, and swimming are among their hobbies. Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, is also called the land of restaurants, because you will find excellent restaurants every 200 meters. Free home delivery services are available all over the city. You can order any kind of food while sitting at home. But in Ukraine, you have to be careful about one thing when eating, as pork is used a lot. If you are a Muslim, you have to be careful about these things. So, esteemed viewers, this was our small documentary about Ukraine. How did you like it? Please share your opinion in the comment box. We will meet in the next great video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz, may God be with you.